Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix high memory RAM usage in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system fully loads up. Make sure everything is ready and your desktop is visible before moving forward with any adjustments. This ensures that all background processes have started properly and you can make the necessary changes without any interruptions. Once your PC is completely ready, we're going to address the high memory usage issue by disabling a specific service that often consumes excessive RAM. Start by navigating to your Windows Start menu, which is located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search bar that appears, type in Services and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Services Management Console, which gives you control over various background processes and services running on your system. Now, a Services window will appear displaying a long list of system services. You'll need to scroll down through this list until you locate a service called sysmain. This service is designed to preload frequently used applications into your RAM to improve performance, but it can sometimes cause excessive memory consumption, especially on systems with limited RAM. Once you find sysmain, double-click on it to open its Properties window. When the sysmain Properties window opens, you'll see several configuration options. Look for the Startup Type section, which has a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Disabled from the available options. This prevents the service from automatically starting when your computer boots up, which will free up significant memory resources. Additionally, if you notice that the service is currently running, you'll need to stop it manually by clicking the Stop button located in the same window. This immediately halts the service and releases the memory it was using. After you've set the startup type to disabled and stopped the service if it was running, click the Apply button to save all the changes you've made. This step is crucial because it ensures your settings are properly saved and will take effect immediately and persist after reboots. And that's it, you've successfully disabled the sysmain service, which should significantly reduce your RAM usage in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.